Negative religious programming and affirmations cause low self-esteem and self-loathing in individuals. This in turn hinders entrepreneurship and wealth building at the community level. Every Sunday, Black people around the world confirm negative affirmations of being broken, nothing without God, or unworthy, and these beliefs must be unlearned to gain self-confidence to build economically self-sustaining communities. People with low self-esteem struggle to step out and take risks. They take business courses and classes, but never step out of their comfort zone and take a chance to get started. Ancient Kemetic science states, what is within will be reflected without. Right now, our communities reflect states and beliefs of being broken, unworthy, and wretches. People with low self-esteem don't take risks because if they fail, it feels like confirmation of their negative opinion of themselves. For a person with high self-esteem, the same failure becomes a lesson to build on. We must rewire our minds for success by unlearning negative religious programming and embracing ideas to empower ourselves and our communities. Kemetic Centered Living offers tools and processes to help guide you along the way of rewiring your mind for greatness. You are powerful beyond belief.